world woven tight with threads of diverse hue, unity blooms, a vibrant tapestry of me and you.
Pleasure to welcome all of us to yet another UN Day, National Costume Day celebration. As I stand here and I look at the sea, not the sea of faces, but the sea of dresses and attire that we have, it just tells us that really we have come from all the countries of the earth. And this year, looking at our theme, our land, our future, our responsibility, I want us to focus on the future and the responsibility that we have to protect our environment.
Together we stand, like mountains so grand, each peak a promise, united we'll stand.
Pleasure to welcome you to this year's United Nations and National Costume Day at Ghana International School. Today, as we gather to celebrate our diversity with over 40 countries represented in our community, we live out the spirit of our school's motto, understanding of each other.
As students, you are the leaders of tomorrow. The choices you and I make, the actions you and I take, and the values you and I uphold will determine the path of our world.
Let us take hold of the future and today rise up into our responsibility to bring restoration to our land. As the singers from the infant school taught us, together we can build our country, Ghana, back beautifully. Thank you.
If we preserve and protect the land, we preserve and protect our people, our culture, and our identity.
Belinda, a parent to a junior school student. I think my experience, one thing I love to see is when it comes to events like this, the parents come together, and so you feel the community feel here at the school. So everyone comes together. It becomes a very vibrant and colorful event, having all the parents, the teachers, the students. So it's a great time, and it's something I always look forward to every year. That's why I'm always volunteering myself to help out such an event.
Experience has been wonderful, absolutely wonderful. I think our parents deserve a huge. I mean, without the parents, we couldn't make this happen. So they deserve most of the credit, and of course the students as well. But it's been absolutely wonderful.
You know, U&A has been an awesome experience. There is food from all the places you come to see, like, you know, people in different costumes. It's like you are traveling outside Ghana to see all the places in one single place. U&A is awesome. Yes, I wish every week they have one.